Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm proud to show you a 2018 Sea Ray SDX 270 outboard. This particular boat is optioned with a black hull, black sports tower, and a dune interior. This 270 is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado, right behind a spacious swim deck platform with sea deck and spacious aft-facing loungers. Both bow and stern have telescoping stainless steel swim ladders, and as you can see here, freshwater shower stations. The black sports tower is accented with a black bimini to keep your guests protected from the sun. The 270 is yacht certified with ample interior space and multiple entertainment zones to accommodate all your guests. It also has a Rockford Fosgate sound system with speakers throughout. And the helm has an easy to read 9-inch Simrad digital display with Mercury vessel view technology. As you can see, the two forward seat backs adjust. This one's in the rear position, this one's in the front position, to give you the ability to open up the middle of the boat. There's also a spacious head. And that's a pump out head. And also in this compartment is a sink and several storage compartments. The bow seating has another 2 speakers and plenty of room for yet another entertainment zone within the boat. As you can see, another shower, and that's the compartment for the ladder. If you'd like to learn more, discuss options and pricing, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.